Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to build a simple website with WebWave. Use the link to WebWave in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website. Building a simple website with WebWave is a great way to get started with creating your online presence. Here's a breakdown of the process. Head over to WebWave's website and sign up for a free account. WebWave offers two options: start from scratch, use a template. WebWave uses a drag and drop interface. Explore the elements on the left panel, which include text, buttons, images, forms, and more. Drag and drop these elements onto your page to build your website's layout. Once you have the basic structure, click on any element to customize its content. WebWave offers a user-friendly editing interface for this. WebWave allows you to preview your website on different screen sizes to ensure it looks good on all devices. When you're happy with your website, click the Publish button. WebWave offers free hosting for published sites on a subdomain. You can also connect your own custom domain name for a more professional look. WebWave offers a free plan and 3 premium plans: Starter, Pro, and Business. Here's a quick breakdown of each. The free plan lets you create and launch a website for free. There are no limitations on how long you can use the free plan, but you will have WebWave branding on your site, and your site will be on a subdomain. You can't connect a custom domain with the free plan. The starter plan, at $3.50 per month, allows you to create a one-page website and connect it to a custom domain. It also removes WebWave branding from your site. The Pro plan at $5 per month is recommended for most users and allows you to create a multi-page website and blog with no limitations. It includes all the features of the starter plan, plus extras like free SSL certificates and website backups. A business plan at $7.50 per month is ideal for businesses that want to sell online. It includes all the features of the Pro plan, plus unlimited e-commerce features with no transaction fees. All of WebWave's plans are billed annually by default, but you can also opt for a month-to-month billing option at a slightly higher price. Don't forget to use the link to WebWave in the description so you can follow along and build your own simple website.